Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video I will teach you how can we take the screenshot using snipping tool. So in the search bar we will type snipping tool. So you can see that the snipping tool is here. So we need to open this. So there are different modes that you can select the area that you want to take the screenshot. Okay, so let's suppose I select the rectangle. Okay, now we have to specify the area. Let's suppose I want to take the screenshot of this whole screen, so I have to select this one. Okay, now this is the area that has been selected, and now we will go to the option file and then go to save as. Okay, so you can specify the folder where you want to save this one. Okay, let's suppose I select desktop, and here you can specify the name. Okay, and here you can see that there are different file options that are available. So you can save as png, you can save as a gif file format, or a jpg, or html. Okay, so let's suppose I give the name s1 and select it, and now our screenshot is saved. Okay, so if you want to take another screenshot, then you will go to new. This time you want to take the screenshot of this icon, so you can select the area. Okay, and then go to, now you can see that this is selected. Now go to file and save as. So you can save anywhere where you want. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming video.